Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and I'm an independent Scentsy consultant, and I have a haul to share with you, and I'm losing daylight really quickly, so I need to get her done. Scentsy's had some sales and I have some stuff from their sales. I have a whiff box that was a little bit delayed. I had ordered it in October, and as you all know, shipping is a nightmare. It is the only delayed shipment I've experienced from Scentsy, and it arrived about halfway through November, and I ordered it at the end of October. I did pick up some wax bars, some licensed wax bars, some fruity flavors that I'd never tried before, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. I did pick up one full-size warmer. This, of course, is from the All Aglow collection. It's the gold and white Christmas tree, and super pretty. I will say that this is a 20-watt bulb and kind of a smaller dish than I expected for this medium-sized warmer. I would not put more than 2 Scentsy chunks from the regular size bars in this warmer. Let's do a little comparison for scale. This is an insert from my Christmas gnome warmer, a regular full-size warmer, and price-wise, this All Aglow was the same price as this. I was sort of expecting the bowl, melting bowl, to be this size, not this sort of reduced size. The regular large warmers take up to 4 bars, and I'm just eyeballing this, but I wouldn't really put more than 2 in this one. Other than that unexpected detail, I really love this warmer. Let's turn that on for you. It has a lovely finish, gold color with kind of a distressed white, I would say low shine, almost milk paint effect or whitewash effect over the gold. Very pretty. I can't wait to decorate with this. I do, through Thanksgiving, still have my pumpkin stuff up, so I'll be switching over. I guess I'm a little late this year. Most people in my neighborhood already have Christmas stuff up, and I think just the whole COVID situation, it has inspired people to really want to get together and celebrate the holidays. So Christmas stuff is everywhere. Let's see, let's open up the whiff box next. You've probably seen this. This is the October edition, the one with the little cookie cutters. I've already sliced it open. Has a little flyer that describes what the whiff box is. This one's cute because it has a recipe for sugar cookies and some gift tags that you could cut out and use. So I may be doing that. Also inside is a sugar cookie scent circle. Love that. A Scentsy fragrance flower in toasted acorn and oak. That's kind of a bakery scent, a little almondy. I do enjoy that scent. My flower is in Buttercup Bell, which I've already purchased before. I actually prefer the Dahlia, which is just a little more upright and a little bit longer wearing that kind of flower itself. But I usually put these in the bathroom at work with one of my stickers on it to promote the product. Room spray and almond croissant. This is one of my all-time favorite fragrances, so I really look forward to this. This would be a great scent in your closet, in a powder room, in your office, in the kitchen. It's really yummy. One of my favorite almond scents of all time, almond croissant. Before I open the little wax bundle, there are 2 more items. One is a little cookie cutter set, so maybe, who knows, maybe I'll make some dog biscuits. They are just your typical tin cookie cutters, but they are in the Scentsy Star, so that's a super thoughtful touch. Okay, we have a little sample of what was the November scent of the month in Icicles, and Evergreen. Now, I did purchase the warmer and scent of the month so I could send out samples and put samples out at work, so I already know what this smells like. I will leave this sealed and probably just gift it to somebody as a little party favor or something along those lines over the holidays. Stocking stuffer kind of thing. This scent is one of my favorite tree scents. It is quite strong, and as you may have seen already, the scent of the month for December is also a tree scent. It has already arrived. I'm not going to break into it for you, but I have it melting back here in the warmer, and it is Black Forest Pine. Love them both. Absolutely love them both. I would say this is the Black Forest Pine is more a traditional pine forest holiday scent, and the Icicles and Evergreen is a much fresher pine tree scent. Let's see what's in the wax bundle. I'm going to save the whip box itself to put together some gifts for the holidays. My scissors are purple, so they're not Scentsy, but they sure look like it, don't they? Okay, cut open the Mylar. And they did ship it with one of the ice packs. Oh, baked apple pie. I'm really happy to have this. I do not currently have this in my collection. Very cinnamony apple on the top with a healthy pastry note. Smells just like a deep dish apple pie where the caramel has boiled over and sort of crisped up around the edge of the dish. I am really looking forward to melting this. Ooh la la. Super happy with that. And cinnamon buttercream, which I actually already have. I do enjoy this. I have just placed an order for some of the vanilla buttercream, but I definitely recommend all of these bakery scents if you're looking to add to your bakery wax. They are yummalicious. Let's move over to some of the sale products that I got. Scentsy's been pretty generous with the 48-hour sales. There's one that's wrapping up today that is featuring body products. About 2 weeks ago, they had a sale featuring some of the cleaning products. So I did pick up 2 of the counter cleans discounted in the aroma red, pear, and pomegranate. I love the counter clean. I love it on everything. There's a train. I hope that doesn't disturb you all. I do have one of these in my classroom. I use it for all the surfaces. It's great for taking off stubborn dry erase marker. Students are eating their lunches in the classrooms because of COVID, so we can sort of mitigate the exposure when they have their masks off. So after they finish, after third block, I always hit all the desks with this, and it just fills the room with a wonderful red pear pomegranate aroma. So now I have 2 for home or to replenish one in the classroom. When I run out of that, I would say I'm about halfway done. Bathroom cleaner in Fiesta Lime. Now I don't know what this smells like, so I'm going to open this one and do a little sniff. Okay, I picked up the bathroom cleaner because it's more specifically designed to remove soap scum. We've just about lost all the natural light. I hope this is all right. And that I'm not picking up too much glare on my glasses. Okay, this one is definitely heavy on the lime. I like it. I'll have to use it and report back to you. It has kind of a foaming nozzle, which is interesting. Okay, and the final cleaning product that I picked up is the all-purpose cleaner concentrate in Johnny Appleseed. This was also reduced price in that sale. And I love this in the wax. Let's see if I love it in the concentrated cleaner. The bundle comes with 2 concentrated cleaners and 1 spray bottle. I do have that already in my bathroom. Currently use that in my shower and countertop in my master bath. I do enjoy that in the Johnny Appleseed. The little spray bottle it comes with, if you get the bundle, does have a fill line. I believe it's 9-to-1 concentrate to water. So it's super handy to have that little fill line on the spray bottle. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, looking forward to that. Let's just run through the wax and then I'll call it a day. All right, most of my wax tends to be bakery scent. I really wanted to expand some of my range and try some of the licensed bars. I got a 6-pack of licensed bars and several of the berry / fruit scents that I've really been enjoying. Haven't melted yet, but I picked up a bar of the Sun-Kissed Citrus. I will flash the notes on the screen here and give you my cold sniff. Fresh tangerine and lemon, I would say. Maybe a little berry to soften and balance that out. And kind of orange tangerine on the bottom. More peel on the top of the bar. More juice on the bottom. Super look forward to melting this. I will probably also try this as a mixture with the Wassail Wonderline, which is just a little bit too spicy for my nose. And I think this would be a lovely pairing. Stay tuned for that. Bright Cider Life. This is a rich cider, but without the spice that you find in the holiday collection of bars. So this is much more my jam. It does smell like a cooked cider and maybe a little bakery in there. I've already melted three little blocks, so clearly I'm a big fan of this. This one is a little bit on the lighter side. I wish it had a little bit more strength and throw. Probably the throw on this is about a 5, and longevity I would say tops out for me at after about a day. But I have a lot of wax, so I probably change out my wax more frequently as a consultant than as just a customer. This is something I would burn in a bedroom or a bathroom, but not necessarily in my classroom. I feel like it would be lost in my classroom. Plumeria Peach is a floral fruit, which is gorgeous, gorgeous pink, and on cold it is wonderful. It's a little bit effervescent, a little green note, and that green note is probably the floral. Clearly peach / berry. Super look forward to burning this to sort of get that full range of top, middle, and base notes. These Scentsy wax bars really do transform when you warm them over the course of their lifespan, and that's one of the reasons I really prefer them over some of the generic brands or the Walmart brands, which I guess are, to my nose, just much more one-dimensional and certainly less interesting. Pretty in Plaid, I feel like I've already talked about. I got this as a part of the clearance sale, so I'm not going to say too much. In fact, I know I've covered this. I haven't burned it yet. It has a really interesting resiny, citrusy note. Johnny Appleseed, this is fresh Macintosh apple all the way. Love it. I have not melted it yet. This is the most perfumey, juicy red apple, fresh red apple scent that I've ever smelled in a candle or in wax. Love it. It's really tempting to eat this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I would buy this in a brick, even though I haven't melted it yet. It's that good. Berry Blessed, I thought I needed to expand my repertoire and pick up some just flat out berry medleys. And this one is kind of raspberry, maybe a little citrus. Let's compare it to the Plumeria Peach. Similar colors. This one is the Berry Blessed. Plumeria is more greeny floral. This one is more just straight up berry medley. Really gorgeous. Cloudberry Dreams. This one is predominantly light floral. Interesting note on the bottom. Maybe citrus. I do like that. Can't wait to melt that one. And lastly, I just have some license bars to talk about. Disney Princess True Love. This is gorgeous. A little bit light, so this would be lovely in a powder room. Or a bedroom, little girl's room. Gorgeous pale lavender pink, bluish pink color. I should melt this very soon. Totally mini, I have melted. This one's a little bit floral, a little bit berry, a little bit apple. I would say equally balanced on cold with all three of those. What's really interesting as you melt this one is that it becomes very, very floral on day 2 and 3. Just one bite. This is the Villains Collection. Apple and spice, mostly cinnamon, maybe a little nutmeg, maybe a little jam. Really delicious. The final thing I have never hauled, I keep forgetting about it, is my first month I got an award for sales for Scentsy. At the time they had a promotion where if you had a $500 party, you got one of these fuzzy blankets. If I can quickly unbow this and share it with you. It is super chilly these days, and it's time to bust out my little throw blankets. Maggie will certainly enjoy this as we are nestled on the couch in the evenings. Purple leopard on one side and the Scentsy logo on the other. It is a lovely heavy weight because it is 2 layers of fleece. Oh, that is wonderful. Thank you so much, Scentsy. This is charming. I love this. That concludes my late November haul. There may be one more before the month is out. If you're interested in any of these scents, I hope you take the time to check my website in the description box below. I do always have a party open for whatever month we are in for sales. That party doesn't do anything to delay your receiving of any of the products. It just allows me to earn half-price credits for sales that are filtered through those products. And that means I will have access to more things to share with you. So anyway, if you're considering ordering, please check that out below. If you have any thoughts about these scents or others, leave me questions and comments in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!